COVID 2.0.
Daddy, how do you know that? Because you came here?
Mm-hmm.
I got a flashlight, don't worry. Okay, no flashlight. I went to a cave in San Antonio like a long time ago.
Who's this house?
Lý khỏi hả?
What do you mean?
You scared of that?
Boys are not bad because you're a boy.
Alright.
So no one can charge them or spread them off, you know? What you mean? But put your right here, bro. That hand, two hands. Oh, this is the strong guy in the family. How you doing? You're all good, you were.
No.
Good, you, all of them. ARUBA was the language that we used to speak on the map, that's Spanish, Dutch, and English. Right? So that's nice, huh? This is calcium carbonate. Let the family see it. Family, get over here. You need that, man. We got it all there for you. Look down the window. Stalagmite, it grows back. You see the wet spot? Now put your light up, sir. Right there. Stalactite is dripping. Thank you. Very good. Very good. And over here, buddy, look down. Stalagmite, up, stalactite. They're coming back. And we believe much. No, sometimes we got crap hiding in that. No one today. So
Đó là sân quay mọi.
keep your eye down now, John. That's it. Coming over here. Good. Familia, go that way. That way, take your time. Good. Yeah, some of you can go that way too. Follow that guy. Ma'am, oh, you're coming this way? We're waiting for you. No, see. Right here, only this. What does it look like?
Dinosaur.
There we go. Okay. Fish. Like a big fish.
Elephant.
United States map.
Buffalo.
Buffalo! Buffalo! Nice one.
Jackpot!
Yeah. Look like that. Nice imagination. Now, centipede chasing the cucarachas. The centipede want to eat the cucaracha. I was thinking of that guy the whole morning, man. John. You see that? A fossil seashell. So here you can see that this was an eruption island. Volcanic. And the eruption pushed it up. And now we got one happy island, ARUBA. You guys want to see more? Yeah. Let's see more, yes? Yeah, get a picture now.
Wow.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Centipede.
How about cockroaches, guys?
They said when
We don't
you
see
see
that in
centipede, you should try the casino. Play 99.
Hey, you
It's
heard that?
very good luck.
You heard that? You heard that?
Yeah. Leave them alone. We never bring life where the bats are. We need the bat. The bat feeding the bird. The bat do pollination. That's why they call them long-tongued fruit bat. The bat do just like the bees and the hummingbird. They pollinate. Got it? Yeah. So that's why we need to protect them. Okay, now, buddy, come over here. Yeah?
Right?
Right there. Yes, right there. What do we see?
People.
People. Very good, ma'am. Two people, Joseph and Mary. Oh, you got those things everywhere. You know? Only in ARUBA in the cave. Beautiful, right? It's a couple. Nice for a couple to see that. Yeah. Beautiful. Watch for the centipede. Okay, tell me. One more. 1, 2, 3. I need to move away so the guy on the right get in the picture. I got it.
Thank
You
you.
got it. Yes, look.
Wow.
That's a beautiful picture.
Thank you.
Family. Well,
Centipede. Centipede. I've never seen one before.
First time too.
and now it's time for the fish back here. Yeah. Sometimes we find huge crab also in the hole, but now today. Where's John? John! Together like we see, we can find a crab for the family.
So if we see a crab, does that mean it's good luck too?
No, the crab looks like you think about dinner. Yeah. You see, no. Nothing, man. No, sometimes they hide away. The light makes them hide away. No crab. Look, my friend. Look down. What do you see?
A face.
A face. Very good. Imagination, man. Look. No light. No light, John. Look. Down. Face. See that? Nice imagination. Look at the face down there. Yeah, like an ARUBA face. How you feel? Beautiful.
Cái động bên Việt Nam nó không phải là muốn đi là
Hot inside, hot outside.
cái động bên
Careful, okay guys, the thorns. Careful, Nolan. Nolan, you gotta keep an eye out, alright?
Yeah.
Oh, look, the goat. Goat. Well, no, that's a sheep. Look. There's goats in there. There's so much goat food. Goat food coffee. Don't go there.
the big one.
I don't think I'm gonna do the water thing. That's a little water, bro.
Yep.
Oh no, it's right here.
Right here, Kaden, look.
Oh, these are nice.